Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregate news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look. So you've been warned. Here I come in 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Bang! Welcome everyone. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. My name's Shomari Clarke, and I'll be your host for the remainder of the evening. Yes. Look, we have a great show for you today. Holy crap, brothers. Let me tell you right now. There are so many, I don't know what happened yesterday, but it was fucking onboard fest. Look, I'm only doing 3 stories for you. I'm gonna tell you right now. Saturday, we're probably gonna have an extended show. Oh yeah, so you're gonna have to strap yourselves in because look, I'm gonna read right now. IOTA, new onboarding. Chainlink got 2 onboardings actually. So Chainlink got 1 for Oracle technology. What else we got here? Cardano. Oh, a financial product. Oh, Chainlink for DeFi. Oh, and another IOTA thing. So there's tons of shit going on. And so tonight I'm going to have mercy, but Saturday we're probably going to rock and roll. No, we're going to probably have to rock and roll on that because there's too much. You know what I mean? There's too much. It just all blasted today. And I know the big one. Shomari, what about the Ripple IPO? Ripple lovers, you better hope that never happens. You better hope that never happens, man. What did Garlinghouse always say? Those XRP are not a part of Ripple. They give you no stake in the company. I'll tell you this. If they IPO, let me ask you this. Do you think Garlinghouse is going to say, hey, Ripple lover, you've got 10,000 Ripples. Now I'm going to give you 10,000 shares on a 1-to-1 basis. Fuck no. Look, you better hope that didn't. Why don't you talk about the Ripple? There's nothing to talk about. Zero banks use XRP. Look, let me tell you something, guys. Ripple is a software company. They are not a blockchain company. Okay, VeChain, blockchain company. Our product is a blockchain. IOTA, Tangle company. Their product is a Tangle. Cardano, Monero, all of those, they're not Monero, forget Monero. Cardano, SingularityNet, yeah, blockchain companies. That's their product is a blockchain. Ripple is not a blockchain company. They're a software company. Okay, like Microsoft, right? They just build software. They're a software company that just made themselves a crypto, basically printed themselves some money. Ripple's product, which they have 2, right? Xcurrent, that's the Swift killer, and XRP, this ODL, on-demand liquidity shit, which no bank is using, right? And that's what Ripple lovers don't get, right? The Swift killer part of Ripple is the Xcurrent part. Do you know what Swift does, my little Ripple lover friend? Swift is a messaging system. Well, which product out of Ripple is the messaging system? Xcurrent, moron. So I tell you right now what Ripple's doing. They're just spending these XRPs, building out their company around their Xcurrent product. And then what they're going to do, they'll just spin off XRP, go IPO, and just make money off their Xcurrent thing. Their Swift killer thing, right? Which is a Swift killer. Swift is a messaging system. Ripple's product that is the messaging system is Xcurrent. And so you better hope that they don't IPO Ripple lover because you're not going to get a piece of that. Unless Ripple Labs does something nice and says, well, stake your tokens, stake your XRP, and we'll give you an equal amount of shares. Shares in the IPO. Remember, IPO means you're going on a stock exchange. So they're shares now. It's not crypto anymore. It's shares. If they don't give you some of those shares, yeesh. All right, so fuck off with Ripple. Fuck off with all that. That's a bunch of nonsense. Ripple lovers, if you don't realize that you're being ripped off by these guys by now, go fuck yourselves. You're an idiot. So look, we're going to talk about people that are actually not ripping off anyone. VeChain onboards luxury market. What? Anyways, some luxury market thing. But we're going to talk about that. Amun AG comes out with a new investment product, investment vehicle. We're going to talk about that. You know, Amun AG, those are the boys from Switzerland. Holy, they're just coming out with ETP after ETP after ETP, and they're launching it around Europe and everything. So we're going to talk about that. And then our story of the week, the India crypto trial. We are going to talk about that. So, and let me tell you, the judge in the trial, he got angry at the government guys. Yeah, he got angry at the Indian central banksters. Oh yeah, cut them off in mid sentence and shit. We'll see. I'll show you. I'll watch this. So let's get to our shit and then let's get to our stories. Bang. Let's get a little market overview real quick to see where we're at in the place. Let's just see where we're at. Let's get some numbers. I like numbers at the beginning of my day. Look. I'm a Forex trader. That's what we do. We look at the numbers. Look. All right, Bitcoin at $8,454. All right. And when I left you yesterday, Bitcoin was at $8,357. So Bitcoin has gone up. What is that? $93? Great. Or something like that. $97, I guess. My math isn't so great. Look, brothers. Well, it is great, but not on the fly. All right. Look. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Sisters. Single digits up to single digits down. Oh, sorry. We're not on that part yet. Sorry, top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects, brothers. Look, top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Tether, Litecoin, EOS, Binance Coin, and Stellar taking over the number 10. Oh, the 10 slot. The 10 slot is where the battle is, isn't it? Right. That's the 10 slot. It's where all the battle goes down. If you're between 1 and 9, you're secure. It's the 10 slot. Oh, yeah. That's where the fisticuffs are being thrown. All right, hold on, let me get a sip. Market moves of the day, brothers. You know the song. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Two single digits up, two single digits down. All right, look. Let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, you go get it because it is on sale. What do we got? You gonna bang or what? Oh, there we go. Bang! Delayed bang. Look, top 10 lose of the day, brothers. Komodo, Sidecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Energy, Theta, DXChain Token, Bitcoin SV, Golem, Ardor, and Litecoin. Let's see who made money today, brothers. Bang! Look, top 10 gainers of the day. Lisk, Centrality, Nervous Token, Novus Network, IXIC RLC, Bitcoin, Crypterium, Decentraland, Electronium, Solve, and Engine Coin. Let's look at total market cap of the day, brothers and sisters. Well, let's take a good look. Look, market cap of the day, brothers. Total market cap, not of the day, but the total market cap is $232.8 billion. And when I left you yesterday, we were at 231 even. So we went up $1.8 billion in market cap today. Yes. And, there we go. That's what I like to see. And 24-hour volume, $95.5 billion in volume. Up from yesterday. Yes, I want to see it. I like it. I want it to go up above 100 on a daily basis. Look. So it's $95.5 billion today in 24-hour volume. When I left you yesterday, we're at 87.6. So we have gone up. What is that? About $8 billion. Look. Great. Nice. All right. Yeah, we were risk off this week in the markets. That's why I've also been a little bit late doing these shows I've been slaughtering these guys. Bang! Yes, they've been feeling the pain. Yes, I've been unleashing some Japanese yen on their bitch asses. Look, yen. You know I love you. Oh, yeah, all week. It's just been a yen slaughter. Yeah, the markets went risk off for a second. I don't know why. I can't remember why. I do know why, but I just don't remember, so I can't tell you. But, yeah, and so, that's how it goes. Anyways, bang, VeChain. Look. Online luxury marketplace Reebonz implements VeChainThor blockchain. Bang! Right, fucking every other day, VeChain. My word. Look. Check it out. Again, this is one of the smaller VeChain things. Again, it's not like fucking Walmart and Belton Road and DNVGL and Deloitte and stuff, but, oh man, money's money, dog. Money's money, dog. Look. VeChain ain't too proud. They'll go get it wherever they can. Look. The VeChain and Reebonz partnership was made public via press release yesterday. On the platform of VeChain's new partner, it is possible to buy new and used luxury products across the Asia-Pacific region. All right. As part of its corporate strategy, Reebonz will integrate VeChainThor technology into its product origin identification platform. So they're going to use that VeChain identity thing, the chips. The goal of the luxury company is to provide authentication and ownership tools to buyers. So look. In February 2019, the two companies signed a memorandum of understanding to develop a technology that can verify and guarantee the consistent origin of luxury products using the VeChainThor blockchain. At the time, it was further stated that VeChain will develop a digital certificate that will enable the development of an upstream and downstream supply chain to enable product traceability, supply chain planning, and product management and proof of ownership. Reebonz will fully implement VeChainThor blockchain. As has now been announced, so they signed their memorandum of understanding last year, and now it looks like, bang, now they're about to do it. So, as has now been announced, the digital certificate is implemented by means of a QR code, which contains information such as product details, transaction details, and history, and the origin of the property. So you guys know how this all works, man. Come on. We all know how this works. You scan the QR code and it tells you where your product's from. So in the event of a buyback, Reebonz can easily verify authenticity via the VeChain product certificate. In case a product is stolen, customers can also revoke their certificate to ensure protection. Customers can also take advantage of a C2C based transaction of their own, consumer to consumer, I guess. The digital certificate can be used to verify authenticity and transfer of ownership. All right. So if I want to sell you something personally, I sell you the item, but I also send you the token, and that transfers its ownership once you receive your token. So look, while the project is currently in a proof of concept phase, Reebonz intends to iterate the development of a scalable solution for all products. By the end of December 2019, approximately 50,000 unique products have received a digital certificate. Additional functionalities such as transfer of certificates and revocation are also planned to follow later this year. Samuel Lim, CEO and co-founder of Reebonz, commented on the partnership with VeChain as follows. Holy, this guy's going to yap right here, isn't he? So look, let's hear what the CEO says. Building trust with our customers is one of our core values. All right, we're going to get full CEO speak. Using cutting-edge technologies and innovative measures, we hope to provide the first of its kind tracking and authentication tools for luxury products in Asia. But we've evolved to a customer-centric model, allowing anyone to buy and sell their luxury products through us in a seamless way. So we're excited to use the blockchain technology and work with VeChain to solve one of the key global issues impacting our industry. That's true. Counterfeit is a problem, especially when you're in Asia. The authentication of pre-owned luxury items using the blockchain is just one of many high-impact innovations Reebonz is pioneering to improve the luxury shopping experience for customers across Asia Pacific. All right. Thank you. Look. So Sonny Liu, the founder of VeChain, said, he had to put in his 2 cents here. So let's read it. Our partnership with Reebonz sets a new standard for solutions based on VeChainThor blockchain, which will be gaining momentum in the luxury industry with increasing extensive applications. Developing such a solution with a global and local mindset will pave the way forward for innovation, enabling frictionless, trustworthy, and transparent e-commerce of luxury products, and finally, changing the operating model of the industry. Oh, yes. All right. So, with Reebonz, VeChain's gains another strong partner who will use the VeChainThor blockchain. Most recently, and this is the tea company again, the Anhui Tea Association from China, And the Chinese law firm Jur entered into a partnership with VeChain. Jur will develop a manipulation-free trading marketplace for luxury real estate based on the VeChainThor blockchain. All right, but look, VeChain hodlers. So you know how it goes, brothers. I mean, just daggone. It's just a daily thing now. You know, I've done, you know, when you own something like VeChain, you know, all right, man. I'm done counting all the fucking onboardings. You know what I mean? That's all right. It's enough already. You know, you're going to make millions off of it already now. Like I told you, my VeChain price target is $1. Yeah, fuckstick. This is going to go way beyond $1 once these institutions invest. Oh, I'm going to be mega rich from VeChain. And so are you. And so it's to the point now, you know, it's just, all right, VeChain. You keep going on and on and on, you know, like, wait a minute. Wait. Oh, I'm holding the wrong card. My bad. I see this story about Dash refinance. That's the story we did yesterday, Nigeria. All right. Here's the card. All right, luxury marketplace. There we go. So, yeah, you know what I mean? Like, when it comes to VeChain now, just, I mean, if you're a hodler and you want to, you know, I don't tell people what to do with their money. I give my opinion, but just accumulate. That's all you got to do. Just keep accumulating. You don't have to, and you guys are always sending me VeChain shit. All right, fuckstick. I already know, man. The shit's going to make us money. Like, I don't need any more convincing. Settle down, fuckstick. You guys are always sending me shit like that. Shomari, look at what VeChain. Look. I know, man. I know. And so just keep accumulating VeChain hodlers. Oh, and bang, bang. You will be rich. Oh, yeah. You will be rich. I guarantee that. That's a no-brainer. Whoops, wrong camera. Bang. There we are, back at the goods. Look, hodlers. All right. Fuck. Every day, though. It's just, and I know people probably think that I'm looking for VeChain stories. I'm not. I don't do that. I don't look around for stories. Your story has to, I'm the investor. Your story has to impress me. I don't go looking for stuff to go, you know, make myself feel better I'm invested in something. No, fuckstick. You got to show me that I should be happy. I'm not like you guys. You guys go looking, you know, like Ripple lovers. They go looking for any little thing to show that, yes, this is worth investing in. Fucking morons. Nah, dude, I don't do that. You have to prove to me. If I don't hear your story out here, if I have to dig around for a story about you, well, you're not doing fuck all. Right? And that's how you should be. Right, guys? They have to impress you. You're the investor. You're the one with the money. Right? They have to impress you with what they're doing. Don't go looking around and hoping that they're doing something. Fuck all that. Show me you're doing something or fuck off. Right? Like Ripple. Shomari, but look at all this, look at all that, look at all that. Yeah, but the one thing that matters is this. How many banks are using it? 0. I don't give a fuck about, well, they're donating to this, or they were at the World Trade meeting thing in Davos, or they're this, they're that. That's great. But how many banks are using it? 0. That's called razzle dazzle. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to post one of my favorite videos in all the world. One of my favorite documentaries is called Enron, the smartest guys in the room. And I'm going to show you how a company that looks like it is doing so much that it's taking over the world. Oh, yeah. They were on Time Magazine cover, Man of the Year, the titans of industry. It was all Fugazi. And that's what Ripple is. Well, Ripple's not Fugazi. Their product, X-Current, the Swift killer, is actually working. But that XRP part, yeesh. And I'm going to show you what happens when a company knows that their thing is yeesh, but they want to keep suckering people. I'm going to post that tonight. Remember that? Enron, the smartest guys in the room. Go and watch that video tonight, brothers. All right. Look. Let's move on. Switzerland's Amun AG launches new inverse Bitcoin ETP. So, you know, we've been reading about Amun AG. They've been launching ETPs after ETPs after ETPs out the ass. They're from Switzerland. They got their license to go offer these ETPs in Europe. And so ETP is basically an exchange-traded fund. They just call them ETPs over there in Europe. Same shit. You know, you just buy a basket of assets, put it in, and people can buy it, all right? Which is a fund. So look, brothers. Let's check it out. Switzerland-based fintech firm Amun AG has launched the 21 shares short Bitcoin ETP on the Swiss Stock Exchange, the Switzerland Stock Exchange. The exchange-traded product claims to track the inverse performance of Bitcoin and enable users to monitor Bitcoin's price movement. So, This particular thing is for inverse. So you're buying this because you believe that Bitcoin is going to go down. You're shorting inverse. You're shorting. It's a weird little thing, actually, to tell you the truth, but it's for guys who want to short Bitcoin in a 24-hour period, I think. Well, I know it is, but let me just see if this is the article that says it. But it's only a 24-hour contract. So look, the SBTC tracker is the first inverse tracker that uses a digital asset like Bitcoin for its ETP structure. According to Amun AG, the 21 shares short Bitcoin ETP. Short means you want something to go down. So I'm a Forex trader. I can go long, meaning I want that to go up, or I can go short. I want that to go down, right? So this is a 21 shares short Bitcoin ETP is what they're calling it, will represent the new brand portfolio of ETPs issued by Amun AG henceforth. All right. The offering in question also claims to take advantage of the extreme volatility associated with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Fucking right. Where investors can use a traditional broker or bank to capitalize on the falling prices of Bitcoin. So the falling prices. Inverse ETPs are common for non-digital assets, and SBTC is the first of its kind, as it's issued for a variety of crypto assets. So, right, they have these things for regular stocks and shit, and so this is the first one for the crypto space. I've never heard of an inverse ETP, actually. So that's cool. I mean, guys are coming out with new investment vehicles all the time, so it's not, I know about the big stuff. According to Haney Rashwan, CEO of Amun AG, the tracker would enable an investor to capitalize on negative price movements, make money when Bitcoin goes down, and mark an important step towards the introduction of derivatives products in conventional ETP form. Yes. So the suite, composed of 11 ETP trackers, is listed in US dollars, while 3 are listed in euros on the Swiss exchange. CEO Rashwan has also highlighted that the platform is now near complete and marks an important step towards the introduction of derivatives products in the conventional ETP form for the still nascent crypto market. Amun AG was in the news previously after, in December 2019, the Swedish Financial Supervisory Authority approved the firm's base prospectus, a development that helped its expansion into various European markets. So the Swiss version of the SEC said, all right, your shit's good, which allowed them to expand into various European markets. Bang! So another investment vehicle from Amun AG. And so when their platform finally, when is it? They didn't say here, and I don't remember. We read about it here on this channel, but I don't remember when it's supposed to launch. But, well, you can already buy them in Switzerland, but I don't think European Union people are allowed to use them yet, are allowed to buy them from Switzerland yet. And so they're building that thing in Europe. It didn't say. Anyway, it didn't say, but yeah, when that thing fully launches, bang! Remember, it's licensed, right? It is, bang, approved by the Swedish Financial Authority. This is like the SEC approval, baby. This is licensed and good to go. That's how I want to talk. Should we talk about that today? Or? All right, yeah. So that's what I want to talk to you about. Like, Shomari, man, yeah, but there's a lot of futures and shit in BitMEX and Bitfinex and Bittrex. Yeah, but Bittrex and BitMEX and all those little fucking crypto things, they're not licensed. They're just a bunch of guys offering that shit. Offering their futures, the swaps, the options, whatever. But they're not regulated and licensed. And so institutional investors are not allowed to play with that stuff. You understand? I mean, I've told you guys this a million times, but it's the same. That's why I've told you about it with your small caps. They're not allowed to come buy your VeChain. Where you think they're stupid, of course they want to come buy this. Believe me, they're chomping at the bit. They're not allowed. Right? And it's the same with these financial products. Well, man, why don't these guys come and, why don't these hedge funds come and use the futures and use the options and everything? They're not allowed to go on BitMEX. First of all, they wouldn't, even if they were allowed. Those are pieces of shit that get hacked every day. They wouldn't even do it. But they're not allowed anyway, and so that's a moot point. So that's what's good about stuff like this, Amun AG stuff, is that it is, approved. Whoops, hold on. They've been approved. Yeah, well, that's like the SEC approving stuff. And so the European Union says, all right, well, The Swiss SEC, version of the SEC, the Swedish Financial Supervisory Authority, their SEC approved it. So they allow it. And so that's what's good. Approved. That's what we need to look for. Approved investment vehicles. That brings the big money. These other investment vehicles like BitMEX, Bittrex, and all that, well, sorry, those are exchanges, but who offer these unregulated products, sure. Soccer mom and dad use that crap, you know, and little cowboys and shit use that crap. But big money, bang, the money we need, they can't go there yet. And so that's what's good about this is because, well, they can come and buy this stuff. They can come and buy all of Amun AG's, 11 ETPs, bang, and it'll only grow. So that's good for us. That's good for the market. Now, does that take money out of the, does that take Bitcoin out of the market? No. So it doesn't raise the price, but it brings liquidity to the market, and that is key. That's what the SEC is complaining about, right? The reason we don't have an ETF here in America, the SEC says, well, there's not enough liquidity. Well, there could be market manipulation. So every piece of liquidity that we can get, holy, we need it all, right? Till eventually the SEC says, fine, you're big enough. You can't manipulate that. Fine. All right, here's your ETF. Oh, yeah, and then we get the funds. I told you about the funds. I told you the truth about them. Bang! That's your market. That's what we really need. So look, let's move on from here, brothers, and get to this. Bang! India Supreme Court warms up to crypto. Yeah. Oh, yeah, watch what this fucking guy said to the fucking... Hold on, let me get a sip. This is good shit. I like court cases. I watch court cases. I go to this website. It's called Wild About Trial. Yeah, I just watch court cases all the time. Sometimes I'm sitting around waiting for trades to jump off. Yeah, I'll just go watch a murder trial. Sometimes they live stream them. Wild About Trial. Go to that web. Let me show you that website. That's funny shit. I love trials. I watch them all the time. I watch court cases all the time because they go into such detail, right? Like every little thing. Where was that drop of blood at? Where was the knife found? What angle was it at? Like, and so you go to this. I'm giving these guys some props. I should get some sponsorship from these fucksticks. Yeah, look at this. Yeah. All of these, you can watch all these trials. Yeah, here's video archives even, where you can just watch. Here's Kevin Spacey, right? You know Kevin Spacey, the actor, right? He got caught for molesting the young boys. Yeah, well, you can watch his trial right there. Yeah. I love trials, man. Look at all this shit. R. Kelly's girlfriend. Well, that's a report. That's not a trial. But yeah, all of these. Anyways, I'm fucking sitting here promoting Wild About Trial. But look, the point is I love watching trials. And so look. I especially love watching trials that that benefit us and our money. Well, there ain't nothing that's going to benefit us and our money more than India. Look, 1 in 5. If you're new, 1 in 5 on Earth are Indian. Bang, look, bang, look, bang. 1 in 5 are Chinese. Bang. Yeah, well, that's some good amount of money. That's 20% of Earth's money. And that's what we want. That's what we need. And that's why we look about this stuff. That's why we pay attention. So look. I'm going to tell you, this Supreme Court judge, watch what he says to this lawyer from the RBI. So the RBI is the Royal Bank of India. That's the central bank. Oh, yeah, watch what this judge says. Yeah, the judge look, obviously I'm biased. I'm a crypto hodler. I want the judge to tell the Royal Bank of India to go fuck themselves. You're not allowed to do that. And I think these judges might be doing it. I think at least one judge, because there's 3 judges on the panel. But this one judge said, look, fuckstick. Watch this. All right? All you have to do is convince 2 of those fuckers. Three-man panel, or girls, I don't know how many men or women, but you know what I'm saying. 3-person panel, 3-judge panel. All I got is to convince 2 of them. Oh, yeah, brothers. Look. All right, so watch this. Oh, so this story starts with the Royal Bank of India's argument. So we're going to hear what the Royal Bank of India said first, their arguments, and what the judge said to them. And then we're going to hear what the crypto guys' arguments are to the judge, all right? All right. So, RBI in hot seat. Ban can't stop crypto. Oh, yeah. In the hot seat. That's their... All right, watch. Let's just read. The Indian Supreme Court resumed hearing the crypto versus RBI... RBI case Thursday morning. Local news. Oh, yeah, and this came out right now. This is only an hour old, so this is fresh news. You know, I like to give you the fresh. All right, anyway. But I do. Because that's what matters. Local news platform, the guy who knows more than the next guy makes the better investment. Look, local news platform Crypto Canyon reported the courtroom that Shyam Divan, a counsel for the central bank, so this is a guy, Shyam Divan, he's the central bank's lawyer, counsel for the central bank, picked up his arguments from the previous day. So he started from the yesterday. He said the counsel began by reading out the RBI's reply to crypto exchanges, representation, and briefly explained about peer-to-peer exchanges operating in India and how crypto exchanges allow their users to transfer funds abroad. He claims that this exposes them to the risks. You see, let me tell you something. These motherfuckers right here, the Royal Bank of India. Well, it's not just those motherfuckers. I mean, it's the same with the Brits, too. They keep saying, well, we're trying to, because the British people, the British government, remember the FCA, that's the British SEC. The FCA says that they want to ban derivatives trading for soccer mom and dad in crypto. Right? They want to protect them from any dangers. And so India, the RBI of India, is using the same argument. Well, we want to protect our citizens. We want to protect our citizens. Well, if your citizen doesn't know what they're doing, they shouldn't come here. Fuck it. It's not up to you. You're protecting your citizens, but you're denying the rest of us who know what we're doing a chance to make some money. Okay, if some fucking moron decides to take his little paycheck and come up in here not knowing what he's doing, and he loses it, well, fuck him. Now he learns better. Now he just goes back to work and fucking leaves us alone. You know what I mean? Like, look, man, I told you guys this a million times. I'm a Forex trader. Yeah, I lose trades too, fuckstick. Yeah, but I know what I'm doing, right? When I lose, I don't cry about it. I don't need some government to fucking protect me from the big, bad, mean boys on Wall Street. Actually, the big, bad, mean boys on Wall Street need them to protect. They need protection from me. I win 8 out of 10 of my trades. No, nah. You see what I'm saying? Like, look, if you don't know what you're doing, fuck off. Get out of the market. What are you doing here? And so, that's what the RBI is saying. Like, oh, well, we have to protect our little worker bees, right? Because it will allow these to. He claims that this exposes them to risks. Risks. Yeah, well, yeah, that's investing. It's risk. That's why we get paid money back, because we took a risk. You don't want risk? Well, leave your money in your bank account, fuckstick. You want to put it out here in the market? There's always risk. So, that really pisses me. Like, I understand. Look, I don't want soccer mom and dad. Look, I don't mind. Look, if you lose your money in a fair fight, tough shit, soccer mom and dad, you shouldn't have come here. You're a fucking moron. But as long as you're not cheated, I don't care. You should lose your money. But as long as no one gets cheated. So anyways, so the fucking lawyer for the RBI said, that's the Bank of India, said, he claims that this exposes them to risks associated with the Foreign Exchange Management Act, anti-money laundering, and CFT combating financial terrorism. Well, then get FATF compliant. Financial Action Task Force compliant. They won't be exposed to the risk of that. How is some soccer mom and dad All right. Look, that's just a bullshit argument. That's a bullshit argument. All right. It's up to the exchanges to be AML and CFT compliant. That's anti-money laundering, countering financing terror. That's the FATF stuff. Yeah, that's what the exchange has to do. That's not up to the person. And so these guys are trying to make it. All right. Let's read on. So look at this. Oh, yeah, here's what the judge said. Look, fuck stack. You think you're trying to fucking play with me, bitch? Look. The judge pointed out that the RBI circular only stopped banks from providing services to crypto exchanges, but is unable to stop crypto trading. So the council replied that it is up to the banks to identify crypto transactions and stop them. So the Bank of the Bank of India, the central bank, is saying, Your Honor, well, the banks are supposed to stop those crypto transactions. Yeah, listen what this judge said. Look, judge. Oh, I got to send this guy a bottle of champagne. The judge quickly interrupted him. Quickly interrupted. Said, look, fuck stick. Yes, holy, the fuel's kicking in. Look. The judge quickly interrupted him, asking, how would the bank know without conducting an investigation and knowing the source of the transaction? How's the bank supposed to know that that's a crypto transaction, you fuckstick? No. What, you want to make the banks the police now? Basically, that's what the Central Bank of India is saying. Your Honor, the banks have to stop that. Well, the judge says, how the fuck are they going to know? Look. Let me bang it. Look. How will the bank know without conducting an investigation, knowing the source of the transactions? Look, you fucksticks. Yeah, I like this judge. I like these judges right here. All right. Yeah, look. Oh, brothers, I love you guys. Maybe, you know what? Shit. You want to do one more story? Fuck this. We're going to do another one. We're going to do another one after this, too. We're going to do 4 stories tonight. Fuck it. I'm feeling good. I'm nice. Oh, yeah. When I hear a judge like this, and I'm fueled, and my yen are thrashing fucksticks, it's a perfect storm for me. We're going to do one more after this, all right? All right. Let's just fucking get through this one first. Well, let's see first, because this is a long story. But you want a little more, don't you? You want a little more onboarding, don't you? Well, I got onboardings like a motherfucker, I told you. Oh, yeah, you want onboardings. Well, I'm going to give you one more after this. Fuck this. I'm going to choose another one. This is too good. So the judge told him, well, how the fuck would the bank know, motherfucker? Right? In legal speak. But that's what he meant. The council admitted that the measure is not so effective, but insisted that it discourages crypto transactions. How is it going to discourage crypto transactions? If I'm a guy and I want to do crypto and I know that my bank's not going to know whether that's a crypto transaction or not, well, that doesn't discourage me. How's that fucking bank going to know? Right? So basically what he's saying is, well, Your Honor, we're going to turn the banks into a bunch of cops. And those, because the people know that the banks are cops now, that the people, soccer mom and dad, little fucksticks like me, little investors, we're going to stop because we know the bank is going to catch us. Yeah, well, that's a bunch of bullshit because, well, how does the bank know? How do they know it's a transaction or not? It's not going to stop me. If I know that my bank doesn't know where the money came from, well, I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing. Right? You don't know where the fucking money came from. So look, brothers. I love this judge right here. Look, judge. Oh, yeah. Crypto canon described. Justice, his name is Justice Mariman. Here he is, Nariman. Look, brothers. I got to find out. I should Google where his office is. Because you can Google that, obviously. You know where his offices are. I'm going to send this guy. If these guys tell these fucking central bankers to go fuck themselves, I'm going to send this guy a bottle of champagne. Watch what? I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to show you the champagne bottle. I'm going to show you the package I'm going to send it in. I'm going to put it in with the mailing stamp. I'm going to send this motherfucker. Straight from us. From you and I, brothers. From the Cryptocurrency Blockchain News Nation, we will send this man a bottle of champagne. Good shit. You know, I don't skimp around. We're not going to fuck around. You know how I do it. Yeah, we're going to send him some good shit. I mean, I only drink good shit. I'm going to send him some nice shit. A nice bottle. You watch. Remember that. Remember Shomari said that. If this comes out in the cryptocurrency favor, Justice Nariman. Actually, I'm going to even just copy and paste his name to a text file so I know who he is. So I can find him later. Hold on, let me do that. Copy. Paste. Hold on. Justice Nuriman. Yep. You think I'm playing games? You think I'm fucking playing games? If this guy brings us 1 point something billion fucking crypto people, a whole nation, oh yeah, fuck sticks. We're going to send him some champagne. Don't worry, I'll pay for it. So look, Justin points a finger toward the Exchanges Council and says, by this, their business has come to an end. Wait, hold on. Not an end. Come to end, and the constituent, i.e. trading of crypto, is still active. Hold on. Let me calm down. What the fuck? Justice Nariman points a finger towards the Exchanges Council and says by this, their business has come to an end, and the constituent, i.e. trading of crypto, is still active. Oh, he pointed to the crypto guys and said, but crypto is still active. Oh, he pointed and said, the trading of crypto is still active. So the judge even pointed. Look at it says right here. He points a finger towards the Exchanges Council. That's the crypto people's council, means lawyer. And says by this, their business has come to an end. And the constituent, i.e. trading of crypto, is still active. What do you mean? I think he said, look, you guys have won. Your business here is at an end. You win. I don't know. Let's see. Because he says, trading of crypto, bang, still active. All right, let's move on. I'm trying to make these a little smaller. I mean, yes, I've been yapping a lot, man. Lately, these shows have been like, fuck, an hour and a half, fucking shit like this. I mean, if you guys don't mind, I'll keep yapping, but, I kind of think about your lives and everything, worker bees and stuff. Love you guys, so I try to condense the most information into the tiniest amount of space. All right, look. But RBI circular did not cause crypto price drop. All right, so blah, 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 blah. We're not going to read about that. So he's saying, so the RBI people said, well, Your Honor, because we said that it was a ban, that's not the reason that crypto declined from 2018 into the bloodbath of 2018, right? All right, so we don't have to read all that. The council conceded, admitting that there may be various other factors, and it may or may not be because of the RBI circular. Of course, various factors. Yeah, they were weak hands, fucker. That's why the market crashed. Weak hands. Soccer mom and dad couldn't handle that pain. Look. Now the RBI persevered. Oh, he persevered. Oh, he wanted to tell the judge, I'm not. All right, so let's see how he. Yes. Tell you, go to Wild About Trial, baby. Trials are good. I wish they had this on there. I'd watch that shit. Obviously, being Indian, though, I wouldn't understand. But look, the RBI counsel persevered. Oh, yeah. Citing several other cases, judgments to support his arguments. He even referred to the judgments which state that the scope of the court's intervention is limited. Oh, and this is the part. He talks shit to the judge. He talks shit to the judge. Holy, watch this. Watch this piece of disrespect right here. Oh, my gosh. Look. Watch this piece of disrespect. He even referred to the judgments which state that the scope of the court's intervention is limited when an expert committee like RBI has acted under its statutory power as it is an expert body of a particular domain. In other words, what he said was, Your Honor, your bitch ass don't know fuck all about markets. We do. So your fucking power is limited when we, the expert, have acted upon our power in an expert way for a particular domain. He told the judge, you're just a moron. You're a moron. We're the Central Bank of India. We know what we're talking about. You're just a fucking idiot, right? Holy shit. That's not what you want to say to a judge, right? The scope of the court's intervention is limited. That's what he told the judge. You homeboy, look, you ain't got no power here. You're just a fucking moron judge. Well, I'll tell you right now. It doesn't say it here, but I tell you right now that those judges went home last night and they said, oh yeah, really? Really? We're the bitches up in this bitch? We're the fucking Supreme Court. Yeah, there's a word, there's a reason it's called, yeah, that's a reason it's called the Supreme Court, fuck sticks. Because we are supreme. We rule over all of you fucksticks. If your president wants to write a law and he passes it and we tell him, fuck you, president, well, guess what? That president's bitch ass has to take that. We're the Supreme Court, son. And look at this fucking asshole. He claimed, let me get into it again. He referred to the judgments, which say that the scope of the court's intervention is limited. In other words, you don't have power here, judge. Holy. All right. And you don't have power in this domain because we are. Because what? Because we're the experts. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Like if I'm a judge, I'm like, oh, yeah, bitch? Look. So after the lunch break, oh, yeah, we're getting deep. That was pre-lunch break. Now we're going after the lunch break. The RBI counsel, central bankers, continued his arguments, referring to more past judgments. So he gives some precedents. It's called precedents. He gives past judgments. They discuss the RBI's power to regulate, which includes the power to prohibit. In concluding his arguments, the counsel insisted that the central bank has a statutory power to take the action it did. In other words, Your Honor, we're allowed to do this. All right. The RBI also, so first of all, the RBI told the judge, you're not even allowed to, we're the experts, you're not even allowed to judge. And then they say to the judge, and we're allowed to do this, judge. Oh, yeah? All right. Look, we haven't even gone on to the crypto guys yet. Oh, yes. Look, brothers and sisters. Has a statutory power to take action, it did. The RBI also said it has been cautioning crypto trading since 2013 and has kept a keen eye on the industry. All right, fuck sakes. Well, look now. Bang! The MAI responds. Yes. Well, look, like in any court hearing, yes, there's a defendant and there's a prosecutor. Oh, yeah, well, the prosecutor can talk all the shit he wants. Well, look. The defendant gets a response. He gets to face his accuser in the court of law. That's called the adversarial system of law, right? In most countries, civilized countries, we have what's called the adversarial system of law. In other words, an accused person gets to face his accuser in a court of law, right? That's called the adversarial system. So everyone else, well, those are other bad systems of law where you don't get to face your accuser. You just get told what happened to you. Yes. Google that. Hold on. Let's even Google this. I want you guys to understand what the fuck's going on right here. Law. Adversarial system. Fuck sticks. Look, my fuck sticks. My little worker bears. Killer bears. The adversarial system. That's what it is. The system used in the common law countries where two advocates represent their party's case or position before an impartial person or group of people, usually a judge or a jury, who attempt to determine the truth and pass judgment accordingly. That's the adversarial system. I know about that because a lot of my family are lawyers. All the girls in my family, they all practice law. The men are all business guys. The women are all fucking lawyers. So look, that's how I know about that shit, actually. I'm not a lawyer, obviously. I'm just a crypto guy. Forex guy. Look. So, next. So here it is. Here comes bang, crypto time. Wow, let's see what the crypto boys said. Look, let me get a sip and let's hear what the crypto boys said, brothers and sisters. Oh, yeah, the adversarial law. Oh, you want to accuse me of something? Oh, yeah? Well, I get to rebut. Well, Your Honor, allow me to retort. Yes, Your Honor. Yes. Well, that's what the central bank says, Your Honor. Allow me to retort. That's the adversarial system. Thank you, British. Yes, under the Magna Carta, they brought that. The British brought us the adversarial system of court. It's called the Magna Carta. Yes. All right, brothers, let's hear what the crypto boys said. So next, The Council for the Internet and Mobile Association of India, the crypto guys, Ashim sued. That's our brother Ashim. Oh, we're going to send that motherfucker a bottle of wine too. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Let me bang him. Look. Where's that banging him? Bang! Oh. Hold on. Let me, because I got to copy his name. I'm not fucking around. I am literally going to send bottles to these guys. And I'm going to put a little note saying, hey, man, like put on Twitter or something that you got this. And let's see if they do it. Fuck a $100 bottle of wine. Maybe he doesn't do it. He just drinks it. But it'll be funny, right? If we can have the guy going, thank you, Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, for the wine. Bang, and I'll show it here. I'm going to do that. Hey, a couple $100. All right, so look. Ashim sued. Oh, yeah. That's our brother. It's our brother in India. Yes, one of the sleeper cells. Took the center stage and made his rejoinder submissions. Yes, I would like to retort, Your Honor. Yes, I believe I have a different set of facts, Your Honor. Yes. He began by referring to the Central Goods and Services Tax Act, claiming that the law does not prohibit using cryptocurrency as a medium of exchange. Look, Your Honor. I don't see any prohibition here. I don't see a problem here. Look. Nonetheless, he added that no one uses it for that purpose. Exactly. Due to its volatility and explain crypto investment potential. And that's why Indians are smart. Unlike you American fucksticks who think that magically one day soccer mom and dad are going to wake up to actually use it for a means of exchange. Well, this lawyer admitted it. Well, the Tax Act does not prohibit cryptocurrency as a medium of exchange. But what does he tell the truth about? He added, no one uses it for that, Your Honor. No one is buying shit with Bitcoin. No one's buying their Starbucks with crypto, sir. Due to its volatility and explain crypto investment potential. Of course. No one's using it for buying stuff, Your Honor. They're investing in it for what? It's investment potential. What does he say? He added, no one uses it for that purpose, sir. Your Honor, no one uses it to buy coffee. Only fucking morons use this shit to buy coffee, Your Honor. This is used to make straight cash, homie, Your Honor. So look. He also said, oh, yeah, he proceeded some little more. Oh, yeah, he wasn't done with these fucksticks. Look. The council proceeded to discuss blockchain technology, using Ethereum as an example. He asserted that cryptocurrency is needed to maintain the efficiency of blockchains. Crypto Canyon quoted him as saying, we don't say that it's not possible to separate crypto from blockchain. Exactly. And that's what I've been telling you fucksticks from the very first day. Brothers and sisters, I've been telling you for the first day. How I look at it as a 20-year market killer, when I come to this space, there are two things. There are cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Monero, Bitcoin Cash, Zcash, stablecoins. Yeah, that's trying to be currency, this wannabe money crap. And then we have blockchain services providers. They are not trying to be money, right? So we don't say it's not possible to separate crypto from blockchain. But there's a valid and legitimate reason for both to go together. All right. Crypto makes blockchain viable for certain uses. So, for instance, sure, on the IOTA Tangle, the VeChain blockchain, you use those tokens to do stuff. But they're not trying to be money. That's different. Right? So, oh yeah, and then Sood even got even ruthless. But I told you about this one already. Soon said argued against the RBI having the authority to ban crypto. I told the judge, Your Honor, first of all, these fucksticks aren't even allowed to ban this shit. So while we're even sitting here talking about this crap, I don't even know. But Your Honor, they're not allowed to do that. They're wasting the court's time. And here's what he said. He said, when RBI knows that there are legitimate uses of crypto. Wait. What? When RBI knows that there are you legitimate use of crypto, then RBI should make a determination of those uses and not turn a blind eye by just citing illegitimate uses. Exactly. Yeah, VeChain, IOTA, Stellar, Cardano, Factum, SingularityNet. Yeah, those are legitimate. Right? Don't turn a blind eye to that, Your Honor, because some fuckstick uses Bitcoin and these stable coins and that cryptocurrency crap to do their little nefarious. Of course they are. Of course you don't think gangsters and fucking cartels and all that are using. Of course they are. Terrorists and all that. Of course they are. Fuck. Come on. But that's not VeChain. That's not IOTA. That's not Factum. That's not Stellar. That's not fucking Cardano. That's not SingularityNet. Look. And that's definitely not that stuff, Your Honor. So, further, the Amun AG Council emphasized that there is not a single finding that crypto is impacting the payment system in any manner. It's not, because no one's using it. No one's using it to buy stuff. That's a crypto fantasy. That's what crypto maximalists love, Your Honor. Yeah, they're a bunch of green-haired, nose-ring fucking morons, Your Honor. That's not real. It's not going to ever happen, Your Honor. I emphasize there's not a single finding that it affects the payment system. Are people running out and buying shit with Bitcoin all of a sudden? No. And they can do it right now. You can buy Bitcoin. You could use Bitcoin to buy almost anything. Yeah, take a Coinbase debit card, put Bitcoin on it. You can use that anywhere where MasterCard is used, right? Is it MasterCard or Visa? I don't remember which company, but one of them. I think it's MasterCard. Yeah, no one's doing it, Your Honor. So this fantasy, so basically he's telling the judge, Your Honor, the Bitcoin and crypto maximalists, they're a little, no one's using it. Don't worry about that, Your Honor. Right? It was not even mentioned in a report by the Inter-Ministerial Committee, which drafted the draft bill. Wait. Hold on. Where are we going here? In any manner. Oh, yeah. That bill. So that last year bill, they came up with a law saying to ban cryptocurrency, right? And so even in that bill to ban cryptocurrency, yeah, it didn't say banning blockchains. It said banning cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, XRP. Oh, well, not XRP, my bad. Monero, Zcash, stablecoins. Yes, that's what it said to ban. That's the shit. All right? Which drafted draft bill to ban cryptocurrencies, except state-owned ones. Suit added that there is no merit in the claim that law enforcement agencies are unable to stop crime involved in cryptocurrency. That's bullshit. They can stop all the crimes. He proceeded to dissect the documents. Hold on a second. Man, I know I've been preaching about this for a minute, guys. But I want you to get all the nuances. I love trials, man. I love trials. I love the shit. So, I know you're not here for trial stuff. You're here for, this is your crypto. This is your money. This is 1 in 5 people on Earth. This argument I'm reading you right now depends if 1 in 5 people on Earth get to come to this space. That's how important it is. That's how important. Xi Jinping, he said, look, crypto and blockchain, bang, we're good. More blockchain, not so much crypto. And then this is it. 1 in 5 people are Indian. That's why this is so important. Look. So look. He proceeded to, remember, there's the crypto guy. Remember, there's the crypto lawyer. The crypto lawyer proceeded to dissect the documents the RBI relied on one by one. In other words, the RBI, the Royal Bank of India, came out with documents. Your Honor, look. Your Honor, look. Your Honor, look. Well, you know what this guy did? He proceeded to dissect those documents. What? One by one. One by one, bitch. Look. He said, oh, yeah, Your Honor. The Royal Bank said this. Let me show you a little something. So, look. Showing the court that they are not sufficient for the central bank to take such measures. Sood also discredited the RBI's terrorism financing argument, stating that as part of the central bank's kitchen sink approach to stop crypto activities indirectly, since it has no direct control over the sector. Right, they're saying, oh, well, it's terrorist financing, right? And that's a big deal in India, obviously, because there's a bunch of terrorists over there in Pakistan and Afghanistan right around there. So, yeah, but he's like, yeah, that doesn't matter, buddy. Right? He said, that's just the central bank kitchen sink approach, sir. Your Honor. You know, they're just yapping about nonsense. Sood then read out a few past judgments from other cases. All right, maybe we're not going to do another story tonight. This one's been long enough. Yeah, we're not going to do another one tonight. But I am going to murder you tomorrow with onboarding after onboarding after onboarding. You know, so I didn't realize how deep I was going to get in because I want you to get this. Sood, the crypto guy, then read out a few past judgments from other cases, mentioning that the RBI annual report states that the risk from cryptocurrencies is negligible. Yeah, the RBI even had a report. They said, yeah, there's no threat. Yeah, well, he read the RBI's own report to the judge. Your Honor, these guys are saying it's horrible. They have a report. It says it's negligible. He further noted that the RBI's reply to a right for information request revealed that the central bank formed no committee to study the issue prior to issuing the April circular. While the RBI claims to take action in the interest of consumers, right? It's always that same shit, just like the British are trying to do. Well, we want to protect the soccer mom and dad. We want to protect soccer mom and dad. The IMEA Council read out the interdisciplinary committee's recommendations, which do not mention market integrity, financial stability, payment system, credit system, or monetary policy. Sood will continue his arguments on Tuesday. So yeah, all right. So sorry. Well, what does that mean, Shomari? So, yeah, the central bank just keeps saying we're protecting citizens. All right, well, but you don't. If you're protecting them, you don't talk about the market integrity of the place, right? You don't talk about. Come on, what the fuck is going on here? The financial stability, the payment system, the credit system, or monetary system. In other words, you're saying this is so horrible, but you're not showing how it's going to destroy our, and let's try this again, market integrity. How is it going to destroy our financial stability? How is it going to destroy our payment systems? How is it going to destroy our credit systems? How is it going to destroy our monetary policy, Your Honor? They have not said that. They've just banned it without proving that this is going to hurt any of this stuff. This is bullshit, Your Honor. Daggone bullshit. Ha ha. And so look, brothers, next Tuesday, we'll have more arguments in the courtroom. Oh, wait, what? Yeah. Check this out. It is a wonderful experience to witness a Supreme Court judge. That's right, this judge, he gets it. The judges get it. It's beautiful to witness a Supreme Court judge explaining facts about blockchain and advocating its immutability. It is more exciting to see a judge upholding Satoshi's view. Wow, whatever about Satoshi's view. Look, but it's amazing that judge, what did that judge do? He was like, look, fuckstick. First of all, bitch-ass motherfucker, look, you understand? The Supreme Court judge told the central bank lawyer, hold on, I love this kind of stuff. Look. The judge quickly interrupted that son of a bitch and said, look, how would the bank know without conducting an investigation? You want us to ban this? What the fuck? Get the fuck out of here. All right, that's a little small example, but so it's a good thing that we can see that these judges are actually getting it. All right. So we'll read on. We don't know yet. Should I do one more? Let me look. Let me give you a little. Hold on. Let's see. I'm feeling good. I'm ready. Because actually, I want to get all these stories done this week for you guys, right? And tomorrow, if I do it a big month tomorrow, shit, that'd be a 7-story show. We can't do that. So let me do one more. Chainlink. All right, there we go, Chainlink. Oh, and the DeFi stuff. All right, let's do one more, guys. Let's do one more. Chainlink and DeFi. Hold on, let me set it up. Shit. Hold on a second. Shit. Ah, man. I talked to you about the whole All right, we got to do the show again. Fuck.